everybody, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what to do with my hair, but I went to Michael's today because I had a reward. I buy a lot of stuff from them for my Etsy business, and I had a reward that was gonna expire in a couple days, and so like, let's go. So I intentionally wanted to get some scrapbook paper, but they don't have the scrapbook paper that I was looking for, so I was looking at their Halloween stuff, and then I found the Michael grab boxes, you guys. I found Michael grab boxes. My store had quite a few of them, and all I saw sticking out of it was mostly floral stuff. And I'm like, well, I'm not gonna get them if it's floral because I'm not a floral person. But I kind of saw some Hello Kitty stuff, and then I saw some other things. So this is a hit or miss. Your store may or may not have them. Some stores just randomly put them out just to get rid of some of their stuff. So if you guys are looking for some of this stuff, check to see if your store has it. The only thing I don't like about it now is they're 10 bucks. They're 10 bucks. I used to go crazy. People used to go crazy. They kind of died down where pretty much everybody gets a chance to get them now. But I don't know. I just kind of was looking through them. I was like, let's just get two. So I ended up getting 2 of these grab boxes. And then I was walking around the store, and the girl's like, all this stuff in this basket is $10 each, and everything was like floral wreaths, and I'm like, no, I'm not into any of that stuff. But like, always see if they have stuff at the registers, because I've seen stuff up there for just $10 altogether, and all they have is one of these little tags on them. But let's do an unboxing of what we got in the first box. Now, I tried looking through some of these, but they have this huge like poster thing on the front of it, so I couldn't get it. I tried like moving it to the side, I tried opening the boxes a little bit, but majority of them had this like poster on it, and I'll show you that one in my second box unless this one has it too. But I'm just like, all I want to do is just see what we got. I'm sorry I got my blanket in the way because I work in the basement and it's cold in here sometimes. Okay, so let's just dig in, and I can share with, yep, this one has a poster too. Okay, so the first thing I saw was this. I had no idea what the heck it was, but I thought, let's check it out. This is Hello Kitty and Friends Bubble Charm Jewelry. So it looks like it's got, it makes 10 charms, so that's something kind of cool. This is something kind of cool for Charlotte. I don't know what the price of this was, but it looks like you just, it has this like little card thing in here. You put your glitter in it, you put your, there's sequins in it and beads, and then you put your little paper in it, and then you pop it, and you got your little bubble pop charm. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I saw that, and I'm like, okay, I have no idea what it is, but we're gonna get it. Then this is something I saw. Oh, this is perfect. So we travel a lot. If you guys know me, we travel a lot. And this is a felt mat activity. And what it is, it's all the United States. And this was originally $4.99. This would be kind of cool for something for like Ben to keep track of where we've been or how many states he's been in. That's something we could kind of do. Yeah. I mean, a little bit, but I mean, the majority of the bigger states. But that's something kind of cool. And I hope I have a second one for Charlotte. The next thing we have is this. So it looks like a lot of this is like school stuff, which is fine with me because I can always see if the school needs this stuff. This is a yoga activity. So it's like a little dinosaur yoga thing. And then we have math at what time is it? And this is kind of cool because I can teach Ben how to tell time. So that's sweet. Okay, the next thing we have is a facial expression. So you have like, you pick a card and you can pick little facial expressions. Here we have play money. Well, it's math, but it's play money. That's awesome. And then we also have the cat yoga. So, okay. Some creative stuff. But yeah, this was the board I kept seeing, was this big giant thing. This one has a huge dent in it, but it is a weekly planner, which is kind of cool. Kind of cool for a weekly planner. If I can get that dent out, but yeah, that's something that I could actually use if I wanted to plan stuff out. Okay, so here we go. Here is sight words. Oh, I could definitely see if the school wants some of this stuff. Sight words. Here is, we got the scientific method, lab safety, our rules in this classroom. Here is wall clings, so just like some wall cling stuff. Hundreds chart. Okay, there's a bunch of little posters and stuff in here. And then there's another one that says welcome all. So yeah, a lot of this is all school stuff, which is fine with me because I could always see if the school wants it if I don't use any of it. Here is classroom helpers. That's kind of cool. All those are like $1.99. Then what do we got here? We have a banner that is just blank. 12 pennants. That's cool. And it looks like it's the rainbow. That's actually something I could do for like school and stuff. That is something I can definitely use for that. Now here we have some coloring. It's Color Your Way. They're name tags, and they look like crayons that the kids can color, and then it's like a little necklace banner thing that they can put on. So that's cool. I got 2 of those. I hope I have more money. This thing still has a lot of stuff. Here is sign language. Actually, Ben got a dictionary the other day, and he's really excited to do sign language. So I'm like, okay, sign language. Here we have letters that you put on the signs to spell stuff out. And then here is some science of a butterfly life cycle. Yes. Ooh, this is perfect. I've always wanted to get one of these. A happy birthday sign. I am, however, old. That is awesome. I love it. $5.99. $5.99. That's cool. Oh, wait. What's this? Hooray for... It's like a little diploma thing. And then you did it. That is really cool. I'm going to see if the school wants any of this. Here's little borders of splash marks. And then we have like a weave banner thing. Here's more banners. We got puzzles pieces. And then we have more weave things. So we got that. Now we have a little rainbow. These are cool little sign tags for kids' desks. They always can use those. Man, this thing is still full. Ooh, awesome. We got an LED pencil light. LED pencil light. All right. Now we have some more banners. These are just like the little like basket weave ones. So we got that. I don't need you down here, Ben.
Hi.
Some blank ones for the desks. Then they gave us some assorted coloring boards. So it looks like there's 8 of these boards in here. It looks like there's a dinosaur one. There's one that says we all belong, knowledge is power, and you are magic. Another thing you could always do is just paint white over here and have the kids just have it be a free canvas. 8 canvases to go. Ben, can you get out of here, please? Then we got another one of those. These are originally $6.99. And then we have more of the creativeology. It's all about me, and then, you know, stuff like that. And I got 2 of these in here. So we got that. And then we have heat transfer vinyl, which is a nice pretty green. So got that one. This one doesn't have a price on it. And there's just a couple more items left in this box. But we have some shape paper clips of unicorns. We have some stickers. It's a 10-piece sticker of like some school, back to school stuff. This is actually perfect for my scrapbooks that I want to do. Here is a nice cool pen. Oh, you guys, this is awesome. I love it. It's a cool little pen, and it's got candies and stuff on it.
Can I?
Oh, it's Halloween. I don't know if that was supposed to be in there. And then a stick with a smiley face on it.
A stick?
Yeah.
I don't want to know what that is.
Okay. Now let's open the second box, and hopefully we got some. Actually, I do know we got some new stuff in here because there was other Hello Kitty stuff that I saw.
Oh, shut your loves head.
Yeah, there's some other Hello Kitty stuff that I saw.
Shut this stuff.
I don't know how to shut it.
I know because one time I had a pen like this.
Okay.
You have to push one.
Okay, so got another one of these boards, and this one's in perfect, pristine
like a ton of
condition. Okay, this is what I saw. Okay, this is what I saw. So I thought this would be cute. It's a Hello Kitty apron. It's actually for little kids. So it's a Hello Kitty apron with a glove. I don't know how much this costs, but this is what I saw in the box. I'm like, ooh, this is perfect for when Charlotte and I do some baking together. And then I saw this underneath it. It is a ultimate baking party set. So we got the silicone mold. We have a spatula. We have Hello Kitty cookie cutters, and it looks like those things that you like put frosting on.
And we have another tiny cookie cutter.
Oh, and then we have a Hello Kitty bow cookie cutter, like right there. That's awesome. What other stuff we got? Bring all the Hello Kitty stuff.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. There's more.
Oh, this is so heavy.
That's why it was so heavy. I was wondering why it was so heavy. Here is a sensory play bin. And it's with that kinetic sand.
More stickers.
And then you put like their names in it. And then there's like jewels. There's some fuzzies. There's like a little bit of rocks. That is cool. That is cool. Oh, sweet. Oh, I should give this to Charlotte for Christmas. This is a Shimmer and Sparkle, a super styling collection of colors. It is a makeup set, you guys.
And
like,
Mommy, you're going to be happy about this one.
Well, I already got one of those.
You already got?
Yeah, so now I have two. But we got a birthday sign. And this is awesome.
I don't know what these are.
Awesome.
It's got a whole bunch of
Hold on, can I finish posting all the Hello Kitty stuff? We have 2 sets of, there's 48 of them in here.
There's no more.
Hello Kitty baking cups. There's 3 of them. Okay, we got that. I got Hello Kitty doilies. Doilies. Hold on, Ben. Hold on. These are Hello Kitty cupcake toppers, if you guys can kind of see it. That's cool.
Wow.
Okay, give me a... Yep, I told them that it was to be something cool. Here is the frosting bag. Man, they gave you everything in here. And then we got more doilies.
Ow.
What?
Well,
don't give yourself a paper cut.
I need a paper cut.
Okay, we have more of these signs. Ben noticed another one of these, so that's perfect. I wanted 2 of them.
I want a puzzle one because Grandpa had one.
Yeah. Then we have another. Hooray! You did it.
Hooray! You did it.
There's a couple more items in here.
Hey, why didn't we have so much birthday stuff, bro?
Another.
We got one more hitty cutty.
More. A small doily. We have a small doily. Okay, and then we have another one of those border things. And here, what do we got? So it's somebody's like first day of school, and then you put their photo on there, and then their teacher. So it's like a little car. It's like something for like this. My ring light's not. It's blinding it out.
Let me see.
But it's like a little bus that the kids can tap. The teacher can like take a picture of them and stuff. Then we had something with the kid's name, had a first day, and then first day, and then here is my superpower and their little crown. So I'm definitely going to see if Charlotte's preschool teacher wants any of these school things, because she could definitely use them. But the Hello Kitty stuff, I am pretty happy for.
Because there's way too much Hello Kitty stuff.
Yeah, I paid 20 bucks for all that stuff.
20? You gotta be kidding me. How much did this all Poppy stuff cost?
I don't know.
Probably 100.
But I paid 20 bucks for this, and I am super excited with everything that I kind of got. I wish maybe I got another box, but I got it on the other side of town. So, but yeah, that was my haul, you guys. I absolutely love it. If I could hide this stuff, I could give this stuff to Charlotte for Christmas. She was with me when I shopped, but she didn't even know what I had. So definitely check your store and see if they have it. Now every store varies, but if you guys score any of these school stuff or the Hello Kitty stuff, let me know in the comments below. But make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I love showing hauls and couponing stuff, anything that is just super excited. But I didn't go crazy this time, and I'm super excited that I can donate this to Charlotte's school for a lot of these items. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
See you later.